Unboxing vital signs monitor. This is 3 para monitor which is marketed by Bajaj Technovision. It gives you the BP reading, systolic, diastolic, SpO2 percentage, pulse rate, and it has temperature probe also. Here it is, temperature probe. Comes with accessories like this is temperature probe, this is NIBP cable, NIBP cuff adult, SpO2 sensor, clip type adult, and the power cord. This is software CD. The product is available with 12 months standard warranty on monitor only. On accessories, it has 3 months warranty. It is available at most efficient cost, most efficient prices at Bajaj Technovision. Thank you.